Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So we have a, we have b. Because I want to use the power 2 in here to cancel about the square root. But we have a minus b, so we need to multiply by a plus b in here. So that should be about the square root of s squared minus 11 plus 5. And we multiply both sides on numerator and denominator. So we have the power 2, you will have about s squared minus 11. This one we have 5 squared, you got about 25. 11 with 25, you got about negative 36. This one we have s minus 6, s plus 6. The next one, we have number 2 and number 2 from here. So we can do about factorization. Next, s minus of number 6, that is about the square root of s minus 6 to the power of 2. So we simplify on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 6 going here, here, and we got the final answer. And that is about number 0. Because 6 minus 6 equal to number 0, so everything in here should be about number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.